check it out. We've got this great fiber optic lighting kit that's going to light up the inside of your trunk. It's all plug and play, no warranty compromising issues. It simply plugs directly into the existing lighting, so you'll love it. Let's check out how easily this installs. We're going to go here all in one tank, so real-time installation, that's what we do here. Inside of here you're going to find a simple instruction sheet that we're going to go through step by step, and you're going to find the awesome fiber optic LED light. Now this light is going to run around the perimeter like you've probably seen, since you don't watch the video before you see the pictures. But anyway, this is your latch assembly, and this is your emergency button in the trunk. So this is always illuminated, so there's power here. So we're going to tap into that source. So you just put your finger in here and lift up, wiggle it. This comes right off. Don't pull up too high or you're going to pull the plug out. Wiggle it loose, and this is where we're going to get our power from. So watch this. This is so simple. Anybody can install it. Plug it right in, and look at the rope LED light. That's really cool, and we're going to show you how to put it in. Then you're going to put this on, back on when we're all done, connect it, and we're going to cover it right up. So watch how easy this installs. So you first just unroll the lighting kit by simply unraveling it, and then you can take a look at how it works. So the fiber optic light, or the LED strip inside of here, is going to shine downward and outward. So what you want to do is you want to install this like this. You use the rubber seal in here to do all of the installation. So it's very, very easy. So this is the back and this is the front, okay? So you want this to shine down and in your trunk. So just simply take it like this and start right here and pull the seal up and tuck it underneath. It's that easy. You're going to go like this and go all the way around the trunk, and it's going to light up by shining downward, okay? So just keep on using your fingers here, lift it up, tuck it underneath, and you go all the way around. Look at this, it installs in minutes. Just keep feeding it, lifting it. Probably see better from this angle. So I'm lifting and seating it inside. And then you'll notice if you're up too high or too low, you don't want to see the bottom, so you want it all to shine out. So if you look at this close-up angle, the light's shining out the bottom, which happens to light up the whole tub and everything in your frunk. So again, all you gotta do is put your fingers in front like this, lift it up, and insert it just like this. Look at how fast it is. All the way down, put it up inside. So the rubber seal here, which is always on here, is a great way to install such a invisible light source to make it a little brighter in your trunk. Same thing, down and around. So you want to get your fingers out ahead of the light, like I'm doing here. And look at how fast it just slides right in. All the way down, and go back here, push it up under the seal. So see, nothing is visible. Push the seal down, just like that. Now we're getting all the way to the bottom. Then I'll show you some before and after photos. And it just adds a nice lighting accent. Now we're going to offer this in red, white, and blue, American colors. Most cars are white. Most cars only want white light. Okay, and after you run it all the way around, you're going to find out they overlap slightly. Just cover it up with a seal. Now, we only want to talk about the placement of this wire to connect here. So here's what we want to do. We don't want wires getting involved with the latch or voiding any warranty. So we suggest that you disconnect it and put this underneath the wire access, or where the wire is coming out. Pull this white wire all the way through. So this will be coming down, going around here and underneath. Now, we want to spool these up in a nice area so that we're able to connect this back here and have this out of the way. So connect the wire back up now. And of course it timed out, so don't worry about that. And now we're going to wind this up. So the best way to do it, and to keep my hands out of the shot, is to kind of turn it clockwise like this. Here, I'll go down low. Clockwise like this, and get in a nice circle, and then zip tie it together, just so none of this is going to wander around. But if we zip tie it like this, then we only have a little bit of slack left, and this will stay in here. And we're even going to use a little piece of tape. So just grab some electric tape. And we're going to use this to tape it down all the way. Again, we just don't want to have any wires flying around. Now, we're going to plug this in. So get it the right way. The little L-shaped guy. Now you'll see what I mean. So there's no risk of these wires getting in the way of the latch assembly or the hook or anything that comes down that protrudes through here to latch your front trunk properly. And then we're going to just put this piece back in. Also, I'm going to remove my frunk organizer so you can see it a little bit better. Just make sure you go down nice and straight here. And you're hooking these 3 hooks on these 3 holes. So removing it is really easy, and putting it back is easy too once you realize what we're doing. So 1, 2, 3 on there. And the wire out of the way. So you hook those 3, push this down, fits perfect, and the whole perimeter is nice and lit up. Again, you can always adjust it if you need to. You can bring it down, but again, it's designed to be placed up and under and all around like this on all sides, tucked up inside, and it's a great light. Now when you put your front organizer back in, everything is much easier to be seen, and of course red, blue, and green. So we're going to get red, blue, and white. We're going to get some pictures now. Show you all the options. Thanks again for watching, and we'll zip tie a piece of tape and really make sure that the wire stays clear and free of the latch area. Thanks for watching, and they're in stock now.